Yeah, a lot of you are going that experience a rough commute here. Angela is working very hard to get you the latest on that. A lot of road spray and a lot of visibility issues here with trucks and also DOT officials doing their job. So if you can stay off the roads, it's just easier. If you need to travel, it's not impossible. Just use a lot of common sense, please. 35 degrees, WJZ out back. It's a cold rain right now on TV Hill. Here's a look at your weather headlines. So it's a messy mix and really emphasizing the word messy over major. That's what we've been trying to advertise. It's our first run-in of winter weather, so we're all a little bit rusty here with the driving skills. Just slow your roll, and I think you're going to be fine. This is not a big ice or snowstorm either way. Slow travel is the way to go. Quiet and cold Wednesday and Thursday, and then a colder system may bring the opportunity of more of a sticking snowfall. We'll have to wait and see. Not all of our computer models agree on that, but we got to get through system number one before we focus on system number two. And system number one, bringing a messy mix here, more in the way of sleet and rain, some snow out there, but a lot of sleet and rain falling based on some of the observations that I'm looking at. And then by this afternoon, it's just a chilly rain that's just going to wash everything away. Kind of the best type of storm where you don't have to clean up after it if it's going to be like this. And as you can see, first alert radar. Well, let's show you the easy parts first. 95 is basically the dividing line, like we said earlier yesterday. East of there, steady to heavy rain. US 50, Bay Bridge coming from Deal over to Stevensville and then over onto Kent Island. We're seeing some of that. To the north and west, this is a mixture of almost everything. Some sleet, some snow, some wet flakes mixed in. Most of the temperatures that I'm looking at are above freezing. The one area that I'm still concerned about is northern parts of Baltimore County, Harford County, Carroll County. That's where the colder air, a little bit more entrenched here. And with the rates starting to pick up, it's not out of the question that this would flip over to a brief period of snow before changing back over to this sloppiness. So this is a very complicated storm with a lot of layers. So what you need to know is we have this mixture of snow, a wintry mix, and rain here this morning. Mainly rain 95 south and east, the mix north and west. Everybody rain this afternoon. Storm is here now. You don't need to wait for it. It's out there right now with rain, sleet, and a few wet snowflakes. It ends before 4 o'clock this afternoon. Your main travel issues are going to be north and west of I-95 in terms of slick spots, especially your sidewalks, your driveways, the places that haven't been treated because a lot of the main roadways have been treated. Area temperatures, 31 could be a problem here in Bel Air. That's what I'm talking about. Northern Harford County through parts of northern Carroll County up around the freezing mark. Notice to the south and east, not an issue with that windswept rain from Annapolis over to the eastern shore. Here's our future radar. The blue indicates snow or snow mixed with sleet here through 7 o'clock this morning. Notice how the city's rain mixed with sleet pellets. 8 o'clock, that line continues to advance to the north. Once you're over to rain here, you're not going back over to any kind of mixture. By 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, even up into the Pennsylvania border, it should be just rain. And then it's a steady windswept rain with rainfall totals that could bear close to an inch. So maybe a crusty coating, as Stephanie was saying. We were saying that with the sleet mixed in. Here, the 3-inch may be a little bit much here. I think maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow mixed in with sleet here, northern Carroll County, northern Frederick County, where we're seeing that wintry mix right now. 34 degrees at BWI Marshall. As you can see, no matter where you're traveling in the state, you're going to be inconvenienced by something. Heavy rain at the beaches, snow in the mountains, and then that mixture in between. On your corner in the eastern shore today, this is where it's a windswept heavy rain. Again, rainfall totals nearing an inch. Great for our drought situation. Not great for travel along US 301 or 50. And as you can see, area highs, it's a raw and rude kind of day with temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40. Sunshine back Wednesday and Thursday. More on the alert day possible here Friday into Saturday.